Hey everyone, welcome back to Anyone, and today we learn one of the best Facebook update and solution. Many Facebook users facing this common error on Facebook. They want to remove a professional dashboard from their profile, but it's a problem they are not able to remove professional dashboard. I will give you some simple steps and few instructions. Just following that, you can easily remove and turn off professional mode and remove professional dashboard from your Facebook profile. How you can do that, how you can remove this setting professional dashboard, it's very simple. But first of all, I request just do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks, and Facebook new updates. You need to open your Facebook app, then you need to click on top right corner profile, then you need to choose your name. And here I want to remove this one. How you can, you just need to click on top right three dots. All right, once you click there, then here's the option is turn off professional mode, turn professional mode off. You just need to click there. Once you click there, and here you need to just tap on continue, and here the final step is turn off. Once you do that, just following these simple steps, you can easily remove professional dashboard and turn off professional mode from your Facebook app. I hope this short video is helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.